Ano po yung masasabi natin sa ating mga kababayan na perhaps worried about the idea of political dynasties reaching the national level? Kasi nga po, di ba, meron tayong 4 na magkakapatid ngayon dito sa ating Senado.
Sir, alam mo, Sir Neil, the problem is we have to have an enabling law. Otherwise, this will not stop, Sir Neil. Ang problema, nakatigil sila sa Senado, pero look at the local level, Sir Neil. Sa mga probinsya, tingnan nyo, huwag na silang lumayo, mga kilalang families dyan, Sir Neil. I mean, lagi tingin nila, si Tulfo, magkakapatid. Meron iba, anim, meron iba isang angkat na. Tumatakbo, hindi na mention, I don't want to mention, pero alam naman ng butante yan. Ako, Sir Neil, like I've said during the campaign, Senator Lacson, we filed out another enabling law to fight political dynasty. And I told a reporter once, I said I will support it. And once it will be passed, I will be the one to, I will step down, Sir Neil. Nobody will resign.
You will be supporting an anti-political dynasty law, or kayo po mismo mag-file?
I will be supporting an meron na po eh. Actually, may final si Senator Lacson. Magdodoble-doble lang, sir eh. Pero co-author ako, if need be. I will co-author it. And then pag napasa po yan, I will resign my position, Sir Neil. And I will even convince my sister-in-law and my nephew. I said, let's resign. Eh, pagsasabihin nila, marami pa naman dyan. Sabi ko, wag na natin gayahin, okay? Eh, hindi lang tayo yung pinakamagaling na pamilya dito. There are others who are better. There are other families na siguro much more charitable than us. Mas matapang sa atin. Let's give them a chance. That's what I'm going to tell my relatives, Sir Neil.